National Native American Heritage Month. Meaning National Native American Heritage Month is a month-long observance in the U.S. in celebration of the cultures, contributions, and lives of people with Native American heritage. It often also involves raising awareness of Native American history. The month is sometimes referred to as American Indian and Alaska Native Heritage Month, among other names. It's important to note that not all of the people whom the month honors identify as Native American, with some using other general terms, such as American Indian or Indigenous. Many individuals prefer to identify using the name of their specific tribe or nation. In this way, the month is often used as an opportunity to educate or learn about the great diversity of Native American heritage. Observance of the month often involves celebratory cultural and educational events. It is also often used as a time to acknowledge, educate, or learn about the history of colonialism and its devastating impact on Native Americans, notably the acts of genocide and systemic oppression by white European colonizers and subsequently the U.S. government, and the persisting mistreatment and inequalities rooted in this history. A related focus is Native Americans' struggle for equal rights.